This video is sponsored by Deemos.com.
Yeah, no, I know what you're thinking. Connor, but why? Conrad, make video about AI? AI bad. And you're right, but you're also wrong. As artists, what is our greatest enemy? And it's not AI, it's time. That's why we're losing. Because in the battle for time, AI is cheaper, easier, faster. Well then, Conrad, how do we fight it? I hear you ask, audience member. And I'm gonna tell you, if you just wait like 1 second. So how do we fight AI? And the answer is simple. We use AI. Chill, don't pull out the blicky. Relax. Hear me out. Beyond the fact that AI is
took our job! I took our job! They took your job! They took our job! They took your job! They took your job!
It's also kind of insulting to have someone type in keywords and it does the lighting, the compositing, it does everything for them, and then they just upload it and then they get money, and it's kind of just a big insult and a big, I don't know if I'm allowed to swear in the sponsored video, the big So the startup company that approached me has a software that can take images and turn it into a 3D model. It can also take 2 images of objects and fuse them together into one model. Basically what I'm saying is efficiency is the #1 goal. And if you can save time, but it doesn't do everything. That means you still have to do composition, lighting, rigging, compositing, animation, After Effects, Photoshop. This is a tool, not the whole kit and caboodle. Did that rhyme?
For real, little bro, just stop your app and show us the software. Yeah, that's me, man.
Alright, so we are now on the Deemos Tech website. And the website name is hyperhuman.deemos.com, and we're going to be trying the Rodin software, the public beta for it. And so basically, you can and have the option to either input text, and it pulls up an AI image, and it'll use that AI image to create the 3D model from that, or you can or you can supply it with an image, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to use a Goomba, because I like Goombas, and go.
Are you not entertained?
That's not funny. Let me think of something funny.
Oh,
that's funny. Okay, so I'm so stupid. So it literally just made almost a perfect Goomba. So I'm gonna confirm it. 10,000, that's fine. I'm just gonna do that. Now we just gotta wait. 5 years ago, I'm gonna look back on these videos of just me acting like an idiot. And I'm gonna be so proud. It's pretty clean too, honestly. And they have an in-app thing that you can use. You take a looky here. Boom. Look at this. So see how it's like a little bit bumpy there? Where is it? Smooth. Trying to find the best area to act. There we go. Boop, boop, boop. It's perfect now. Oh god, I'm upside down. Oh god, I'm getting sick. Alright, so now I'm just gonna confirm. Okay, so now we have to generate the material. Honestly, that's pretty freaking close. That's really close. I'm gonna try turning up the reference strength to full. It looks like they struggled in the same places, so in that case, I feel like this might be something that I could just fix in Blender. But it did save me so much time. So I tried redoing it a couple times, and something to note is that if you keep redoing it, sometimes it doesn't improve on the last redo when it comes to the material generation. I noticed that with the geometry generation, it usually makes it look better, but the material generation, it's still a work in progress, but you know, AI is still in its infancy, so obviously the software itself would be. But for something that's incredibly new, I mean, like, it's just gonna get better from here, basically. All right, so now let's take a look. I'm gonna download it in 4K, and I'm gonna export it as an FBX. So now let's click download. So basically now we just gotta go to Blender, and here we are. Home sweet home. Avada Kedavra. Little Harry Potter reference for you. That one's for free. Alright, so now I gotta go into texture mode and I gotta clean this up because I'm gonna make a scene using this bad boy. And I also gotta clean up some of the texture on the eye, make it look nice and pretty. Alright, so I cleaned it up to the best of my abilities, which to begin with wasn't that great. You guys could probably do a much better job, but I cleaned it up kind of nice, I think. It'll look really good in low light because I didn't do a good job at cleaning it up. But it's good enough. And now we're gonna get started with the lighting. I've outdone myself. Again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna create a scene. Okay, was I right or was I right? I was right and you were wrong. So it's okay to admit that. So, but now I'm gonna go into Photoshop and just do the little finishing touches. But right out the render already looks really great. See you in a sec.
And here is the finished product. Here's a pros and cons list of the things that I liked and the things that I think need improvement. Pros. Created an almost perfect 3D model. Textures were almost perfect too. Saved lots of time. Intuitive software. Easy to use. Has a 7-day free trial. Cons. UV mapping sometimes isn't accurate. Certain images may have difficulty generating. Other than that though, I loved it. The Rodin software has my stamp of approval. 8.5 out of 10.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That was me testing out the Deemos Tech Rodin. Make sure you try out Rodin for yourself. I'll have the link in the description. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you guys later.